Attention charge point operators. Are you ready to revolutionise the EV charging experience? Our upcoming white paper, Plugging into the Future, reveals critical insights into what EV drivers truly need. Reliable charging infrastructure, user-friendly interfaces, responsive customer support, expanded accessibility, and effective feedback channels. For CPOs, these insights represent golden opportunities to enhance your services. Build trust and alleviate charge anxiety by boosting reliability. Increase user satisfaction and adoption rates with simpler interfaces. Ensure customer loyalty through improved support systems. Meet growing demand with strategic expansion. And drive continuous improvement with robust feedback mechanisms. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Our white paper is your roadmap to transforming EV driver needs into CPO wins. Want early access to our white paper? Click on the link provided to secure your copy now.